Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Uvele bayi bafowethu, ulaphana eCape Town, urelaxile-ke, upholele laphana umfowethu. I think le break bekayidinga ngempela after everything beyenzeka empilweni yakhe ukuthi i-Cape Town Spurs izama ukumbhlokha ukuthi angadlali. Yathatha icala yalibeka laphana ku-P_S_L D_C yaliluza, still yathi no ways, yathatha icala yalibeka laphana ku-FIFA, yaphoza uvele bayi ukuthi angadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Delays for 2 months umfana engazi ukuthi liyaphuma noma kwenzakalani, liyaphuma noma liyashona. Eish bekunzima kakhulu but-ke i-relief for yena laphana eCape Town, upholele umfana. Ngimbonile nama-clip wakhe laphana edlala ibhola nentwana encane laphana. So I mean, yeah, big relief for yena. Kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibanike i-break bafowethu ukuthi baphumule kancane, njengoba sibonile ulo Khanyisa Mayo laphana stadium ubhizi-ke ebusuku-ke kuma-event bafowethu. Hhayi, but-ke it is what it is man, but kumele babe professional noma benze izinto. So for uvele bayi bafowethu angakwazi ukudlala in the next few days laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sekuzoya nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bafuna ukuthi adlale nini umfana, but is ready, 100% ready ukuthi akwazi ukulwela i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, going back home, which is Cape Town, or close to home around abantu abathandayo, I mean, uzokwazi ukuba relieved. Aphahle if uyaphahla, ashise something if kumele ashise something, because next game e-Kaizer Chiefs uzoba available. And le nto i-Kaizer Chiefs abayigijimise for 2 years kumele bayibone, ivele leyo nto leyo. So if-ke ayikho ama-fans azo-criticize, siyazi ama-fans phela awanasikhathi. Yes, abanye bangaba ne-patience bathi give him time, but guess what, asikho isikhathi ku-Kaizer Chiefs soku-adapt. Kuthi una-30, una-21, una-19, when you're given a chance kumele ukwazi ukuyithatha leyo chance leyo, uzibambe ziqine ngempela. But uvele bayi uma umbheka mentally ngathi u-strong, but at the same time ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-change impilo yakho overnight. Lo muntu lo akakadlali negame eyodwa u-Kaizer Chiefs, but ngibone laphana ehhotela lase-Cape Town uvinjwa abantu, nabantu abanye aba-famous e-Cape Town mabambona bayamvimba bafuna iy'thombe. So nje everything is happening at once, ukuthi akakadlali negame eyodwa u-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine uma engaba yi-hero-ke ku-Kaizer Chiefs, aqala ukushaya amagoli, aqala uku-contribute-a, abe highly influential for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, lapho uba superstar ngempela, because uzoduma even outside, igama lakhe lizoduma outside the-football. But yeah, it's a beginning of the journey for uvele bayi. No-Batman ubuyile laphana e-Chile after they were knocked out. Batholile-ke leyo break-ke yey'nsuku nje ey'ncane, but-ke abafana they have to gear up for i-match enkulu leyo yalaphana eCongo. I don't think uvele bayi no-Batman bazokwazi ukudlala laphana eCongo, but kuzoya ngama-coach, because i-game izoba physical kakhulu bafethu. I mean, izoba strong kakhulu, badinga abantu aba-aggressive. But-ke I've never seen really, I even forgot about the aggression of uvele bayi, but i-physique yena no-Batman ayibavumeli ukuthi bayawukhompyutha laphana kuphi, especially away. Maybe home bangazama ukwenza kangcono, but-ke ibhola lidinga umzimba, lidingi leyo aggression. Uma unayo i-intelligence uyakwazi ukukhompyutha, but-ke le siyazi ukuthi eCongo kuzoba hostile laphana bazodlala khona abadlali. I don't think ba-ready ukuthi babe kulawa ma-environment lawa, and then bakwazi ukusurvive-a kuwo. And then I mean, imagine you playing your first game for i-Kaizer Chiefs, udlala away and udlala i-CAF competition, uyabona ukuthi kunzima ×2. So I would rather opt for bona ukuthi badlale laphana kuma-home games ese-first game yakhe, maybe kuzokwazi ukudiliva. But yeah, what a story. Kuzoba emotional kakhulu ukubabona bangena egrawundini, even for bona kuzoba emotionally. But-ke for uvele bayi, it's been 2 years alinde le moment lena. Lucky enough i-Kaizer Chiefs beyisasenayo i-interest kuye, azange itatazele. Manje usuka straight, imagine uvele bayi bedlala ku-National First Division last season, straight to Kaizer Chiefs. Impilo yakhe i-change same time, kanti i-Kaizer Chiefs beyimfuna previous season, but guess what, Spurs sithe no, sifuna 10 million bafanas. Hhayi labo 10 million or 4 million nisinika bona. If aninayo 10 million yekelani. They were willing to destroy impilo kavele bayi. In fact bayi-destroy bafethu. Cabanga unyaka wonke udlala le ebhoqweni, unyaka wonke for awunayo ama-financial means ukuthi uphile kahle, uphile comfortable. But i-movie ya-Kaizer Chiefs if yenzeka a year ago, ngabe umfana u-settled manje, u-financial secure, u-right, yonke into i-covered. because Kaizer Chiefs they would give him a life-changing contract. Ma-signing on fee are good because of hot property ngempela. But yeah, I mean izinto zenzeka nge-pace yazo, but at the same time isikhathi sakaVeleba sesifikile. Veleba is expected to deliver immediately ngoba ngeke ngakhuluma earlier on ukuthi bengilalela ucoach laphana ku-conference uCedric ekhuluma ngayo uVeleba ukuthi izobasiza kakhulu. Kusho ukuthi bayalibona ithalente lomfana, bayabona ukuthi ngempela uzo-contribute-a kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nanokuthi-ke manje kuma-training sessions sokumele naye bam-involve because bayazi ukuthi angadlala anytime when he is selected to play. Interesting match in Congo, sobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izozibamba kanjani. Noma I wish Kaizer Chiefs ingenza amaphutha wawo lawa ase-Angola because e-Angola they didn't go all out in terms of ukuthola igoli. They were only punished out of the blue nje header from lelapho elangena second half badliwa 1-0. So it's difficult ukuthi udliwa 1-0 away usazodlala ekhaya. Le team mayingakora yabona ukuthi usenkingeni serious. So kumele bazame ukuthi bangaconcede. Noma kuthiwa bayaconcede-ke imatch ayiphele nge-draw ukuthi babe ne-advantage ya-away ukuthi nabo bakwazi ukukora. So yeah, big game for Velebai. They can't wait to play. Velebai, Batman, nangu noMaboy naye siyambona laphana uposta kakhulu izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs esejimini. Futhi naye uready ukudlala. Ushinga sobona ukuthi bazomintroduce nini. Hey, kuningi kubhizi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Maningi futhi amaplayer angakadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So wabona ukuthi are-ready 100%. They ready to give everything for the team and babonise ngempela ukuthi bayawa-deserve ama-opportunities laphana. Bazowathola abafana ama-chance, especially uVeleba angayithola i-opportunity this week or next week. Uzoyithola against iSimba lena yaseCongo, uzoyithola against iSiwelele laphana e-FNB Stadium abadlala home during the week ngo-7:30. Exciting fixtures, but more excitingly for abafana ukuthi finally bazokwazi ukuthola i-opportunity ukuthi badlale i-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaze ba-ready na, cause you have to be ready mental. Ungaba fit ukudlala but if you can't handle the buzz laphana e-FNB and mawudlala ucabanga i-social media ukuthi wenza iphutha uzotrenda kakhulu. So kumele ukwazi ngempela ukubhalansa ezinye izinto ukwazi uku-ignore ubhutike, ezinye ukwazi ukudila nazo. But I mean it will all come down to ukuthi ubani o-strong mental okwazi ukuhandle i-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs because uyashisa umlilo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially hot city for ama-coaches akhona, i-hot city futhi for nama-players laphana. Kumele uhlale ebhentshini or unikwe i-chance ukuthi udlale but kunzima kakhulu ukudlala lapha. Sibafisela inhlanhla overall. Ngizoyibamba lana bafethu ngithi danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.